Yo, it's Soul Brother 420 here in the 10 by 10, and man, all the future episodes are gonna be a lot different, coming at you with a lot more content. We got veg room setting up the flower room right now. It's not fully set up, but it's coming in nice. Just trying to get it started. Right to the video. Let's go. Right here we got Chesta the cheetah from Beleaf. Just wanted to give it a full kind of peep. The nose structure is super tight. I'm happy as fuck about that. Looking nice. Can't wait to see about that one. Right here we got Cobra Kai. Also Beleaf. This whole row is gonna be Beleaf, so check it out. Cobra Kai, these have been in the flower room for about a week or so. Looking pretty good. So far, so good. I just wanted to give a check-in. I haven't been here for a while, but I'll keep saying that, but I'm guilty, man. I've been in the garden, but I have not posted a video. I've been moving around, setting up the new 10 by 10, and getting my future runs ready. This right here, Sea Junkie Beleaf, permanent chimera, looking fire, stretching, praying to the gods. But yeah, I do want to give a full check-in. These ones have more of a stretch than the, what was that, Chesta the cheetah back there. But we're getting a lot more growth going on, so I'm hoping this one goes and keeps going. Right here next to it, we got Fruit by the Foot. This has been in the flowering room for about 2 weeks. You can see it's a lot more structured, a lot more developed. Probably see some nugs soon. Let me back this camera view up, give a full scope. Fruit by the Foot, Beleaf. Like I said, this has been in the flower room for about going on 2 weeks. Getting some frost in there, getting a little frost in there. But Soul Brother 420, giving a check-in per usual. Right next to it, we got Obi-Wan Kenobi by Beleaf. You're gonna see a little work, a little problems at the bottom, but this was a clone I got. I had to, do what I had to do. Very fresh cuts. It wasn't the best. It's alright. They're still thriving. They made it to the flower room. But yeah, this is Obi-Wan Kenobi, Beleaf cut. I'm super excited about this because it's a clone, and I haven't had one of their clones in flowers yet. This is my first time running all these. Like I said, these are all from seed. Starting off with Chesta the cheetah, Cobra Kai, permanent chimera, Fruit by the Foot, Obi-Wan Kenobi, all Beleaf. I do have a bunch more in the tent I'm going to be showing you, but I'm excited about this Chesta the cheetah. I don't know, something about it. The Chesta the cheetah and the permanent chimera scaring me. Permanent chimeras for sure is scaring me. Leaves looking like leather. Let's go. Can't wait to update you guys next week. But just wanted to give a check-in on what Beleaf is doing out here. Looks like they're killing the game. I got a bunch of other stuff in the tent I want to show you. This is Cherry Garcia again. This was a clone I took from the last run. Ethos Cherry Garcia. Give this a full run. This was my 5th pheno. I called it Cherry Garcia number 5 like most would. But yeah, this one smells crazy, bro. Super happy about this. Glad I got to run it again. I just put it in the flower room a couple days ago, so we're not as developed as the rest of the gang, but We got some good plans going on here. Give you an update on this in a week.